You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name for more confusing pronunciations in English and other languages. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got tons more. This is generally the name associated with the name of a coffee, but it's also a surname. The English pronunciation is usually as Bacha. Bacha. Easy once you know Bacha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.